Chris is a creative technologist, heading up Controlled Frenzy. He's a big part of the IDAT collective at Plymouth University and does some really interesting projects in his free time and for work, actually. Chris recently exhibited a project at the Tate Modern, or headed up a project that was exhibited there. And he's here to tell you about another project he's working on really shortly, which you can try during the break. Chris?
Cool. Okay, right, that's running. So, as Tony kindly introduced you to me, I would like to also to introduce you to another version of me. So, this is an AI. This is a ghost. This is a version of me drawn from nothing but my voice. As you can see, it's kind of interacting and bouncing off me, but I've done some work beforehand to feed my voice and what I say into some algorithms. So my voice is currently, at the moment, being scanned for the personality, the way I'm saying things. It's having to think of what I might be like, what kind of emotional state I'm being in, and then it's creating this ghost. And this ghost will be part of many other ghosts we'll collect from everyone who attends and interacts with something called Loving Grace. So Loving Grace is my first bit of solo installation work, and we'll be debuting a part of that at FutureSync and maybe also Agile on the Beach as well. A slight plug, I will also be talking about how to make this at Agile on the Beach and what the experiences are like of that. And this animation listens and responds, and at the event, at the exhibition, you'll be invited to walk into a space, speak into a microphone, and just talk about yourself. And from there, one of these versions, one of these creatures will emerge of you. And it will be you to take away from the conference. So at the other end, you'll get a printout with your visual and a link to somewhere online, where you'll be able to see what it thought of you, see what it thought of your personality, and you'll be able to talk to yourself. So, as I've been talking here, this system has been transcribing what I've said, and then I've linked this up to an alternative Twitter account, not my real one, because I don't quite trust it with that just yet. But you'll notice something spamming KDAT, and that's the first part of this algorithm. That's the first part of this system trying to learn and understand something. So it's speaking as me, or it's using the words that it's collected, constantly transcribing, constantly creating, and then hopefully create something a bit more sensible. Though we were talking about sausages around it earlier, so it may be obsessed with sausages. I blame Marcus for that as well. But that's the first part. That's Loving Grace, and I was only here for a few minutes to show you. I would like to invite people in the break, if you'd like to come around and have a play and have a look at stuff. I would also like to ask some people if they don't mind donating a few minutes of their time to record them talking about yourself as something I can use to test and play around with in time for FutureSync and Agile on the Beach as well. So that's the teaser, that's the starting point, something to look forward to. Hopefully I'll see you and see digital versions of you very soon. Thank you.